As I unbox the Wyze Lock and its keypad, I'm going to show you a number of things about the device. Now, it does have many different protocols that it speaks. Both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on the box, but it also speaks Zigbee between the lock and the gateway that you're about to see. Now, inside of the box, you do get a manual. You can see batteries, and the third component I'm about to pull out is the gateway. Now, this is something you have to plug into the wall and start the whole setup process with. The Wyze Lock itself feels very light, yet somehow sturdy, and does manually lock and unlock. After you get the plastic wrapping off, you can see some screws and some holes in the back, but there is no way to get into the back component. I thought I would just show you my I-backed Wyze Lock sticker, but also inside are 3 different adapters and some adhesive tape that you will use. This is an adapter that goes underneath the Wyze Lock for it to sit on. And this is the keypad, which actually has a compartment inside to hold 2 AA batteries. Now, it has its own adhesive and mounting plate as well as mounting screws, and this is how you open up the Wyze Lock itself. It is a magnetic closure as well. Once you're inside, there's space for 4 AA batteries, and on the inside you will also find some screws for you to screw down onto the actual mounting plate. So this is how you're going to get everything to attach correctly in the end. They are very small and reasonably well hidden. Stay tuned for more videos on the Wyze Lock itself as I show you to get it set up in your home and our review of the Wyze Lock itself.